In this video, I will show you how to see system apps on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your Google TV. Navigate to setting icon. On getting to setting icon, click on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down and go ahead and click on apps. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on see all apps. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on show system apps. Then here you go. You have access to all system apps. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see system apps. All the apps right here refers as system apps, such as Android system. Then from here, you can simply clear cache and work on the permission of different system apps, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.